Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sonia D here, ready for another unboxing with BOXYCHARM's December box. So here it is. Just got it yesterday. The mail in December is crazy. It's so slow. Anyways, I got it yesterday. And we got the Whimsy. And we're back to the cardboard, and I am random box number 9. So this is what I got. So I got a eyeshadow palette. I got these items here. I'm gonna go over it right now. If you're new here and you haven't yet subscribed, I'm Sonia D. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm on the road to 100, or no, 1,000. I've already gotten my 100, but I'm on the road to 1,000 now, so subscribe. I make videos of all kinds, so whatever I feel like doing, I'm gonna do. And I try to post at least once a week, at least. So if you're a fan of makeup and you love BOXYCHARM, and you know, BOXYCHARM is actually like $40 Canadian a month. You're getting 4 to 5 full-size products, and it values in between $150 and $200, I would say. If you want to see what I got in the box this December 2019, keep on watching. So it's going to be a really quick video because it's currently 25 after 12. I look good. I'm about to go to work soon. So I figured I have time, so I'm going to make my quick video for you guys because I love you guys so much, and I try to juggle 2 things at once. I got work and I got this, and then I got my fitness regime, so I have to maintain and balance everything. So I'm happy you guys are here. I love you guys. The first product I have it already in my hand. This is the Aesthetica Brush Cleanser and Conditioner. It says, prolong the life of your favorite makeup brushes with the Pro Series Cleanser and Conditioner, specially formulated to effectively remove accumulated makeup and dirt from your cherished makeup tools. This is a $12 value. And again, it's Aesthetica. I like the name, Aesthetica. So that's the first product, and it's a full size. It's pretty big. I'm gonna try that. I actually just cleaned my brushes like the other day. I do have a video on how I clean my makeup brushes, so you have to go through my uploads to see that. But anyways, this is the first product. The second product we have is the Elemis Rose Facial Oil. It says, a luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with a precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin with a luminous glow. This is actually a $79 value. And look at the bottle. It's gorgeous. Ah, it's gorgeous. It's a dropper. Oh, wow. So I really like the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask that I got in a previous box. I love it. Oh, gosh, God. I actually went on the website to see if I can purchase this. It's really pricey, so I'm just really glad I got it in the box. And now I got this. So this is the Ciate Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. It says, add a radiant flush of color to your complexion with Marbled Light Illuminating Blush. Formulated without talc, this lightweight buildable formula has a blend of matte pigments and finely milled illuminating particles. It's a $26 value. Second to last item, this is the Brow Bar Brow Makeup Kit. It says, style your brows like a pro with the Ultimate Brow Kit, designed with 2 long wearing brow shades, brightening blow... Damn!
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, let me start this over. So this is the Brow Bar Brow Makeup Kit. So it says, style your brows like a pro with the Ultimate Brow Kit, designed with 2 long wearing brow shades, brighten brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, angled brush, and a flat brow brush. And this is a $30 value. So looks like this. It looks like it's gonna match me. Perfect. They did really good actually on the colors. Last and not least, we have the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Red Riding Hood palette. So this says, inspired by the classic tale, the Storybook Mini palette was created exclusively for BOXYCHARM and is as beautiful on the inside as it is on the outside. We've combined stunning metallics and velvety matte eyeshadows to help you create your happily ever after look. This is a $30, this is a $35 value. This is what it looks like on the inside. You got the colors here. Again, I guess they figure because I have green eyes, maybe reds and stuff look good on me. So we have red, Bad Wolf, Basket, Peril, Journey, and Woods. I'm not going to swatch them because I'm going to work, but they look pretty. Oh, they're really velvety. Oh, wow. It's really pretty, actually. Yeah. They look good. Good. So there's another to add to the collection of the beautiful eyeshadow palettes I keep getting from BOXYCHARM. I really like them. I really like them. I haven't used many of them, I will say, because I'm not big into eyeshadow. As you can see, I have just a pink sheer color, and it's actually just by CoverGirl. And for my lips today, I'm actually wearing the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star collab in the shade Shane. I have a hair over. Oh, I got it. So this is the shade Shane. It's gorgeous. I'm going to make a video on what I got from the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star collab very, very, very soon. So for this December 2019, I love what I got from BOXYCHARM. I actually love what I get all the time. However, sometimes the colors just don't go with what I go for. This time around was really nice. So I'm really excited to try everything here. Like this. And then what else did I get? Oh yeah, the rose oil. And then the blush. So I'm really excited about everything that I got this month. So yeah, there we go. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. It costs $40 a month Canadian. It's like 29 US. So it's actually really worth it. So I'm not sponsored by them, nor like will I ever be, probably, but I really, really, really enjoy getting a whole bunch of makeup every month. So I'm almost a year in. So soon I'm going to make a video on all the products throughout the year that I got from them, that I actually use, the ones I really love, the ones I would repurchase. Because like this one was a previous box. This one is definitely going to be a repurchase. I'm probably like, I only have probably about this much left, I'm thinking, but it's so good. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching today's video, and until the next time, I love you all. Bye.